So ayan mga kakikoy ko, i-assemble na natin to, no? Kasi nabili ko to the other day. Kailangan nating i-assemble. At least it runs good. If not, we can put it back, return to the store. Yeah. Yeah. Oh, no. Here we go. Magaan lang siya. Around 29 pounds. Alright. So ito ang new toy. My new toy, okay? Alright. Just like that. Shout out to all my silent supporter, legit followers on my YouTube channel, Kiko YouTube TV, and please like and share on my video, and to all my members, please just follow them. Alright. Si Kikoy ay mahilig magbutingting. Magbubutingting si Kikoy. Actually, ang weather right now is minus 6 outside, but here inside probably +1, +2. But if you still here in outside with no insulation, it's still cold. You know what I mean? Oh no! Alright. Haha. Ha ha ha. Alright, how to do this? I don't know how to do this. Alright. Actually, there's an adjustment to this. Adjustment. See? How to do this, how to do that. Alright. Just like that. See? And then this one. Just like that. Alright. See? There we go. Actually, ang manual nandun pala sa loob. Oh my goodness. Pero alam ko na to. Oh, no. Dahil binasa ko na yung manual eh. Just like that eh. Alright. So ayan mga kakikoy ko, na ano ko na, no, yung lower part dito. Ayan. So ito naman, dito siya, ayan, no. Alright. Simple lang ikabit to, mga kakikoy ko, kapag alam mo. But if you don't know, hindi mo alam. Diba? Just like that. Oh. Kailangan lahat ng bagay alamin mo bago mo pasukin. You know what I mean? So, ganun lang mga kakikoy ko. Alright. Simple lang. May tailor na si Kikoy. Oh my God! Gawin natin. Hindi mo na natin higpitan. So that we can put this other side. Alright. Just like that. Don't forget the washer. Yan na. Mahirap yung ito nilagay ko sa loob, inner, hindi dito sa labas. Kanya-kanyang diskarte yan eh. Alright. So ayun na. Cold summer nights. Ito yung throttle niya. Throttle, yay, throttle. And on and off switch. Stop, run. Okay? So ngayon mga kakikoy ko, ang gagawin natin, lagyan na natin ng 50 by 1 ang ratio niya. Actually, this is pre-mix now. Pre-mix 50 by 1. Don't forget to attention. The manual. I already read the manual. So push primer valve 3 to 6 times. Set choke lever to the choke position, put on. So simple yan kasi alam na ni Tikoy ginagawa niya. Alright. So this is premix. And I recommend use the premium gasoline. Ang capacity nito 0.75 gallon. Alright. So yan lang muna. Actually this one almost 1 liter. So we just try to cold. Where is the push button lever? Right here. It says 6 times. Yeah, it's 3 to 6 times. Alright. Then set the lever choke. Where's the lever here? Okay. And then wait. Alright. Okay, ready to go. Run. Stop, then run. Okay. Bago pa siya mga kakikoy ko, kaya ganun. Grabe mga kakikoy ko. Sakit na kamay ko. So ayan mga kakikoy ko, nag-start na siya, no? Alright. So one click lang siya mga kakikoy ko. Sa sobrang lamig. Oh my God. So ito mga kakikoy ko. I-upload ko to sa short. One click lang to. Alright. So ayan mga kakikoy ko, natapos ko nang i-assemble ang aking garden tiller. If you are new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe Kiko YouTube TV. And see you on my next video. Thank you so much. Please subscribe to my all members. I will put their link on my description down below. Bye bye. Thank you.